SLATE came together with the Streets Department to host these job fairs because there's a need in our community for drivers, heavy equipment operators, utility workers, and various positions throughout the city.
We give all on-site training. We also help to get your CDLs as well. If you got any trade skills for heavy equipment operator, even if you deal with construction equipment, you backhoes, bobcats, or whatnot, we also accepting applications for those areas as well.
One of the things that we wanted to do to ensure that people are skilled up to be able to obtain these jobs is today we issued a challenge. It's our 100-day Skill Up Challenge. And so what that does is it provides an opportunity if you're interested in obtaining your CDL to come into SLATE, see if you meet the eligibility requirements, and then go through the 4-week training, and you'll obtain your CDL free at no cost, no charge to the participant to ensure that you have the credentials that you need for some of these job opportunities.